In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Airtable. If you're finished working in your Airtable account, logging out is a good habit, especially if you're using a shared computer or a device that other people can access. It only takes a moment, and once you know where to look, it's very simple. To begin, make sure you're already signed into Airtable and looking at the main dashboard or any page inside your workspace. Then, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll usually find your account and profile options. Go ahead and click on the profile icon in the upper right area. Depending on your account, this icon may show your initials, a small profile image, or a simple account symbol. Clicking it will open a drop-down menu with different account-related options. Once that menu appears, look through the available choices until you find the option labeled Logout. When you see it, click on Logout. After you click it, Airtable will sign you out of your account. In most cases, you'll be taken back to the sign-in page or the Airtable home screen, where you can log in again later if needed. That's how you confirm that the logout was successful. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure the profile menu is fully open and check carefully, since account menus can sometimes look slightly different depending on screen size or browser layout. If you're using Airtable in a browser and something doesn't respond as expected, refreshing the page and trying again can help. This is especially useful to remember if you're switching between multiple accounts or if you want to protect your work from being accessed by someone else after you step away. Logging out helps keep your information secure and ensures the next person using the device won't automatically enter your account. So, to quickly recap, open Airtable, click on the profile icon in the top right corner, and then click Log Out. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to log out in Airtable.